Yeah.
And I want to talk about the beasts of this planet and also how they have instant manifestation. They're in such connection and alignment. It's the instinct that they get and the impulse. And one of my most favorite things is rendezvousing with the beast of this planet. Wednesday, we went drift diving, and it's the current. And that you use the current to work with you, and you just appreciate and trust the alignment and knowing that the current's going to take you exactly where you want to be and see what you want to see.
And you're not fighting against it. You understand that it's dominant. You understand that it's better for you to go with it. You decide to work with the power of the universe. You don't exhaust yourself by fighting against it. You utilize your ability to focus and guide yourself in other ways that are more subtle. In other words, going with the flow. That's always the way, isn't it?
Absolutely, and it feels so good. And I just had the most amazing experience underwater. I've done so many dives, but I feel like each one just gets better and better. And I had the biggest spotted eagle ray that was in the current, and it actually knew exactly how to, it was just soaring. It felt like the frigate birds that we keep seeing above our hotel, and how beautiful and effortless and just in the flow, in that flow. And when it looped around, and I had the impulse to shift a little bit my fins, and I didn't have to make any effort, and when I did, it was the perfect timing. It came back around, and we made eye contact, and it was kind of like Source seeing me and vice versa. We were both just had that moment, and I just thought, this is, how does it get any better than this? But knowing it will get better, and it keeps getting better.
We want you to feel, and we know that you do, the creative dance that you're feeling with other humans. You trust the beasts more than you trust the humans, because you know them to be more in alignment. But the thing that we want you to feel, and we know you know this, but we have to say it right here because you've brought us to this important point of saying it. Certainly there is a current with the waters, always. There's a current with the stream. We talked about going with the flow for quite a while. There's a current in the winds as you're watching the birds not fight it but go with it. So what is the current of your creative experience? What is the current? What's the current that we are all riding the waves of as we are brought together and as we are playing together and as we are understanding together? What is the current? The dominant current of not just this time-space reality, but all that is.
Alignment.
It's the law of attraction. It's a current that goes this way and that way and this way and that way. And there are currents that will smash you against the rocks. And there are currents that will take you out into the beautiful ocean. There are currents that will take you to the highest heights. In other words, there are all kinds of currents. And like the wind and like the currents in the sea, law of attraction is not defining for you where you should go. It's just providing currents to take you wherever you vibrationally line up and decide that you want to go. The thing that happens with so many who do not understand law of attraction is that they get in a current and then they just surrender to whatever the current is. We want you to accomplish your intentional vibrational alignment with who you are, so that you're picking the current, and then that current will take you to wherever you want to be.